I'm Mara, and for today I'm going to make a A-line skirt using this challis fabric. This is a non-stretch challis fabric, and this is so simple and easy to make, and I hope you can follow around. So let's get started. Now let's make the pattern. First, get the quarter length of your waistline. Mine is 26 inches and the quarter of my waistline is 6.5 inches, and I'm adding 1 inch for the darts. Total of 7.5 for the waistline. Next, measure the length from your waistline to hip line. Mine is about 8 inches. By the way, I'm just using this tape measure as my ruler. And measure the widest part of your hip line. Get the quarter of your hip line. Mine is 36 and the quarter of it is 9. Then decide how long you want your skirt to be. Mine is about 24 inches and I add 1 inch for seam allowance. Now for the dart, just measure the half of the distance of your nipple to nipple. Mine is 7 inches and the half of it is 3.5. Now in the waistline, I am taking out half inch side by side in the mark point of the dart. And from the hip line, you are going up for about 2 inches and draw the dart. I don't know the exact explanation for this, but I just followed the tutorials that I've watched from the other channels. Now this part is going to be my slit area. I am having 3 panels. First is the back panel. Second is the slit area. And the last one is this area. I'm a beginner, so if you have any correction, just feel free to comment down below so we can learn from each other. I'm also making a pattern for the facing of the skirt, so for about 2-inch length. I fold my fabric and cut my back panel. Then cut the other panels. I'm going to serge the raw edges, or you can use a zigzag stitch. Then I sew the side of the slit area and the back panel. Then I'm just marking how high my slit I want to be. Now from my mark point of the slit, I am trimming a little fabric here so the slit is more open in the legs. Then press the seams with iron so it's more flat. Then I top stitch the slit all the way through the end. Now I'm preparing my facing, and I use an interlining so the facing is more stiffer. Then I sew the one side and overlock the bottom. Then I will add the invisible zipper first before sewing the facing. My technique in sewing an invisible zipper is I close first the side seam with a straight stitch and then pin out the zipper and sew the zipper on. And sew an understitch to keep the fabric from rolling up. I also top stitch the seams so the facing has something to hold on. And finally, I hem it with a double fold and the skirt is done.